In this video, we are going to show you how to turn research into actionable steps in Poppy AI. Now, this is quite simple to do. Make sure you know what research you want to use. So, for example, you go to Google, go to Google Scholar, right? And these are scholarly articles. These are legit articles that you can use. So, for example, we want to look at new agricultural breakthroughs. So, we're going to use this first article here, this first study, right? Copy, paste it here, and put it here on group. And then connect the group to a Poppy chat. And here it's going to be prompted. This is a simple prompt. So I want you to analyze the research within the group connected and create an actionable outline for us to use to create a project based off on this, right? So we want actionable steps or an outline that we can use to for whatever it is that we're doing, maybe a study based off of the research that we are using. So all we need to do is just press enter, and now Poppy Chat will now analyze and study the article that we have on the group below. Now, if this is just one article, you can survive by not using a group. But if it is more than one, which most people are definitely going to do, it's better to put it here to not clutter up your board, right? So as you can see here, we have actionable steps now, right? And let's just wait for it to finish everything. There we go. So it goes by phases. Phase 5, full scale implementation and system rollout. Phase 6. So as you can see, it is now showing you, and it's going to give you a table and next steps that you can actually do, which is pretty cool, right? So that is pretty much how you do it. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description we provided below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.